Want to move files from your iPhone to a USB drive? Here's how. First, you'll need an adapter. For iPhone 15 models and newer with USB-C, a simple USB-C to USB-A adapter works. Older iPhones with Lightning ports require a Lightning to USB adapter. Connect the USB drive using the appropriate adapter. Open the Files app on your iPhone, tap Browse, then find your USB drive under Locations. Select the files you want to transfer and tap Move. Then choose your USB drive as the destination. Make sure your USB drive is formatted as exFAT or FAT32 for compatibility. Besides using the Files app, you can also transfer files via a computer. Connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC using a USB cable. On a Mac, use Finder. On a PC, use iTunes or File Explorer to drag files to the USB drive. This method works for all iPhones. Wireless options like AirDrop or cloud services such as iCloud or Google Drive are also available, though slower for large files. Remember, iPhones can't format USB drives. If your drive is NTFS, you'll need to format it on a computer first. Always ensure the USB drive has enough free space before transferring. Wired transfers are generally faster and more reliable than wireless.